Ahoy hoy everybody. I'm Steven with Steven Stash, and today I have the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8. I'm very excited to be opening this. This is just going to be an unboxing video, not a review today. Maybe I'll do one later. The specs of this machine for a processor: it has a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 with 8 gigabyte of RAM. The display has an 11-inch screen, 2560 by 1600 pixels, and 120 hertz refresh rate. That is quite the upgrade from my previous Tab S6. For storage, it has 128 gigs of internal storage, and it has a micro SD card slot. And the battery, it has an 8,000 milliamp hour battery. All right, so let's get unboxing it. There's no wrapper around it, which I'm a little disappointed by. It has these little tabs here. Let's just cut this. All right, and it just says what's included over here. The tablet, of course, an S Pen, a data link cable, quick start guide, and the terms and conditions. No charging block in here, unfortunately. That is unfortunate. All right, let's put that to the side. All right, when you open it, the tablet is under here, under this cloth-like material. Let's get that out. Okay, I'll unbox that last, best for last. And here we have charging cable, USB to USB, Type C rather. Again, no brick, unfortunately. Put this in here. I'm not going to charge it just yet. All right, over here we got the stylus. Just from holding it, the stylus is definitely a step up from the Tab S6. The Tab S6 one was very flat. This one is more rounded, but it has an edge here to give you some grip. That's going to be nice. All right, then we got the ejector tool for the micro SD card slot, and then here are the terms and conditions, which, of course, I'll read later. All right, and nothing else in here. All right, let me get rid of this. All right, let's just power it on. Let's take this out. How does this? It's a very nice little pouch. This just has instructions saying it charges on the back, the stylus. Okay, so the weight. I was concerned about the weight going into this. It feels very good. First impression, it feels very good. I was considering the iPad mini because I didn't want to have something too heavy. I'm going to be using this for ebooks, video calls. I'll be holding it, on the couch while I'm in bed, to read. And I was concerned it would be too heavy. It's not heavy. It has a little heft to it, but it's very well distributed. The webcam is up here on the top. I have high hopes for this webcam. The one on the Tab S6 was pretty nice. Over here is a nice bar to show you where to put the stylus. So it should, yep, it clips right on like that. And that is how it charges. On the top or the right side, if you're holding it vertically, you have the power button, lock button, and the volume slider. I'm not sure what this is right here. Is this plastic? I think this may be plastic. Yes, it is plastic. All right. On the bottom, we have the connector for the keyboard. I do not have the keyboard. I may get it at a later time. The one for the Tab S6 was awful. I'm hoping the one for this one is better. The last one had an adhesive that stuck to the back. It didn't stick well. I have higher hopes for this one. This magnet is very good. That's not going anywhere. All right, so let's get it powered on, because this thing has a beautiful screen. I'm excited to see it. This tablet is running the latest version of Android 12. I'll just show you guys how the screen is, and then that's it. I will do a review at a later time. Nice animation there. Agree. All right, permissions, sure. I'll skip this for now. The Wi-Fi. I'm not going to copy any data from another device. That is not the time. It's currently 1:53. Google services. I will set up the security later. I will sign into the Samsung account later. Skip. We're all set up. I want to see how the 120 Hertz feels on this tablet. Oh yeah, that's very fluent. It's very fluent. Yes, it's very vibrant. I don't even think it's at, yeah, no, it's not even at max brightness. Let's see how it looks at max brightness. Oh, this thing is going to be beautiful to watch movies on. Absolutely beautiful. Let's do a sound test real quick. Oh no, we can't do a sound test because the internet's not on. All right, so that is the first impression of the Galaxy Tab S8. If this helped you at all in your purchasing endeavors, please leave a like, leave any comments if you would like me to go over anything in particular for this tablet, and have a great day. Thank you.